Hi guys, today we're going to talk about something called discount. And discount is actually something that you've heard of before. Whenever you have a coupon or a percent off of a price, that's what a discount is. So think about when your parents went to the store and they used a coupon. If it said something like 50% off, that's exactly what we're going to be solving for today. Last class we talked about tax and tip, which was when we found a percent and we added that onto the total. Discount is going to be when we find that percent the same way we did with tax and tip, but now we're going to be subtracting it from the total. So a discount is a percent that is subtracted from the total. So we have the total cost of a $100 item with a 30% discount. So we're finding the total cost. So first we're going to want to find that discount first. We have part over whole equals percent over 100. I'm going to write that for ourselves so we remember. So we have part over whole equals percent over 100. So we're going to keep this in a little cloud over here. So now, just like with tax and tip, we're going to set up a proportion for ourselves. We have the part, which is going to be that discounted amount that we're looking for, over the whole, the total amount is $100, equals the percent, which we're told is 30, over 100. To solve for x, we're going to want to cross multiply. So 100 times x gives us 100x equals 30 times 100 is 3,000. To get x by itself, we're going to divide both sides by 100. And we end up getting x equals 30. Now, this is not the total amount. This is just the discounted amount, which means we have to go back to that original price, and we're going to subtract it. So we have that original price of $100, subtracted that $30 discount, and the total cost of the item is going to be $70. Okay? So then the next example we have, let's switch up our color a bit. Let's do a nice purple. So Tosano is looking to buy a new pair of sneakers. Payless is holding a 45% off all sneakers sale. The sneakers originally cost $50. What's the price of his new shoes? So what we're going to do is do that part over whole thing again like we did last time. So the part is always going to be the discount. The whole is the total amount or the original cost of the sneakers, which is $50. The percent is 45 over 100. So what we're going to do now is cross multiply. 100 times x is 100x equals, and 50 times 45 is 2,250. To get x by itself, we want to divide both sides by 100, and we end up getting x equals 22.5. Now, this is our discounted amount. That's not the total cost we're paying. So to find the total amount we're paying, we're going to take that original price of $50 and subtract $22.50, which when we subtract, we get a new total cost of $27.50. All right, and then we have our last example down here. I am shopping at TJ Maxx when I see a clearance rack. So discounts have to do with clearance racks too. Very, very applicable. The original price of a shirt is $40 and there is a 20% discount. How much did the shirt cost? So again, we're going to be using that part over whole proportion. Let's pick a new color. I'm going to say pink. So we have our part, which is always going to be x, over our whole, the total or the original price is $40, equals percent, which is 20, over 100. We're going to cross multiply here. 100 times x is 100x. 40 times 20 is 800. We're going to divide both sides. I wrote something wrong. Divide both sides by 100 because that's what's in front of the x. There we go. And so x equals 8. So that is your discounted amount. That's what we subtract from the original price. So we have $40 minus that $8 discount gives us we're spending $32.